We've got a couple of things on the agenda today in order to get the garden ready for planting tomorrow. So let's get to it. First up are the weak sugar snap peas, here and here. I'm going to get rid of both of them because they're just not performing well enough, and I don't have a problem waiting another week or two and then planting a couple of more. That's actually very healthy looking growth. The roots on the second one look pretty good too. They're just not moving fast enough. The one last thing I'm going to try is to move this bean to this area. The other side didn't have the green bean come up, so I'm going to move this yellow bean over because I think it's too close to this other one anyway. Hopefully it'll survive, but if it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. Wow, that taproot and all the other roots doing really well. Nice. So now all I gotta do, wow, that taproot's really running all the way down. Okay, so now all I have to do is basically excavate here. And then we're just gonna slide this right back in. The correct direction. Right there up against the side. And then I'm going to hold that right in place, rebury the soil there, come over here, put a little down over here, and give it a little jiggle. And yeah, that's not bad. Hopefully that'll be okay. One interesting thing about all the lettuce since watering yesterday is how they appear to all be growing towards the light. I'm pretty happy how all that went. And this garden is definitely looking greener. I'm excited for planting tomorrow. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.